Hey friends, if you wish to change the DNS server on your Windows 11 computer, then it's very easy. Here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Now right click on the active network connection and select properties, and then you can double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8.8.8.8. I mean, I'm giving an example. You can use any DNS server according to your requirements, but usually whenever a person is stuck using Google's DNS server address is the best one, and 8.8.4.4 for the alternative one. I am using Google's DNS address for this example, but you can use any DNS address as per your requirements. Click on OK, click on OK once again, and you're sorted. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.